This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Chambers County, southwestern Liberty County, and northeastern Harris County until 10 o'clock a.m. At 9:32 a.m., a severe thunderstorm is located over Lake Houston near Kingwood, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Possible hazards with this storm include quarter-size hail. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Chambers County, southwestern Liberty County, and northeastern Harris County until 10 o'clock a.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.